everyone, I'm going to show you how I achieved this really cute effortless hairstyle. It's super easy and I think it's so cute. I don't really know how to explain it, but as you can tell, there's just like two little pigtails on top with some really cute mermaid waves. But anyways, let's just jump right in. So here I'm installing my favorite extensions from Irresistible Me. These are the 27-inch royal clip-ins. You can check out my unboxing video, which I do have on my channel, where I am reviewing them. I love these. If y'all know me, you know that I swear by these extensions. They're such good quality and I just love them so much, and they're human hair, which is a plus. So now I'm just going to take apart my sections and I'm just going to split my hair. You don't have to do split hair, but that's just what I felt like doing today. And then I'm going to go ahead and install the other clip-ins. These are 3 left. Is that what you call them? The 3 clip-ins, does that make sense? But yeah, these have 3 clips in them, and I just put 2 of these on the sides of my head. I don't really wear too much extensions because I don't want my head to feel very heavy, but that's just what I like. Of course, if you want more volume, go ahead and put in as many extensions as you like. So now I'm gonna section off where I want my pigtails, and I'm gonna make these kind of small. I did use regular hair ties for these, but I do recommend getting like the, what do you call those? Like the silicone rubber bands, the clear ones. But yeah, so I just had these, so that's what worked for me at the time. But it blended in with my hair well, so I didn't really care. But yeah, so I'm just tying them, and I do like to keep my 2 front pieces, so I just kept that. Now I'm gonna go in with my RipplesHair hair waver, and I love this so much. It gives me the prettiest mermaid waves ever, and it's so effortless. Literally all you have to do is just clamp it and you're done, basically. What I like to do is I like to clamp my hair, and then I kind of push it up a little, if you see that, because if you tug it down, it's gonna lose the waves that you previously made. But yeah, I really love this wand. It is so easy to use, and I believe it goes anywhere from 90 degrees Celsius to 210 Celsius. So that's really nice. And what I freaking love about this product is it has auto shut off. I have such a bad habit of not turning off my straighteners and my curling irons, so I appreciate that feature so much. Also, it did come with this heat protection glove that I'm currently wearing. I love how everything is pink. Like, it's just so freaking cute. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it does have like a 360, like the cord, it moves around like 360, and I freaking love that because it's not in the way like while I'm trying to curl my hair. These barrels are 32 millimeters, if anyone was wondering. I really love how big they are because they just make the waves look so much more effortless. So I don't know if anyone else does this, but I like to take some lotion and just run it through my hair. I find that doing this makes not only my hair smell really good, but also tames my frizz. Obviously, don't put like a load of it on there. Rub it into your hands first just to get that moisture in, and then like kind of scrunch it into your hair and you're done. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, girl, and I will see you all in my next video.